Hey everybody, just wanted to make a video to help you with your Get More Math assignment for today. So there's 5 skills, so I'm going to do one of each problem. So which of the following convex polygon interior angle measures add up to 1620? So what it's just saying is it's asking you for which of these would possibly be a sum of 1620. So if we recall back, and it's just saying convex, meaning that it's not having anything like caved in like this. Like these here are concaved. This triangle is convex. Gotta just get my eraser. There it is. Okay, so our interior sum is S is equal to n minus 2 times 180. So if we have an interior sum of 1620, we are just going to solve this backwards. First thing we're going to do is we're going to divide by 180. That's an 8 there. So 1620 divided by 180. 9 is equal to n minus 2. So we're going to add 2 on both sides. So n is equal to 11. So the answer is 11. Okay. So here's another one. And I just need to take a snip because I can't write on a web browser. So it says find the value of y if the measures of the interior angles of a decagon are all of those. Okay. So a decagon is 10. So 10 minus 2 times 180. So the interior sum is 1440. Okay. So I'm just going to add all of the numbers in front of y to make it a little bit easier so I don't have this long equation. So 7 plus 4 plus, I'll do 20, plus 9, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so plus 50. So we have 90y is equal to 1440, and I just got that by adding up all of these. So we're going to divide by 90. And we get 16. Okay. Next one. Find the value of the of each exterior angle of a Levengon. Exterior sum of any polygon is always 360. So we're going to divide that by 11. So we get 32.72. Round to the nearest tenth is 32.7. If an exterior angle measure of a regular polygon is 60, how many sides does it have? So the reason why it's telling you an exterior angle is because if you were going to plug this into, well, we can actually, no, we can't. That is an awful. Let's just say this is our polygon. Let me connect it for those of you that say that it's not a figure because it's not connected. So what it's saying is this angle outside is 60. So you could easily find the measure inside, but that's not going to help you because we don't know what the whole interior sum is, and that's not going to help us because we don't know how many sides it has. So we do know that every polygon has an exterior sum of 360, okay? So if we divide 360 by 60, that is going to tell us how many sides this figure has. So this figure has 6 sides. What is the measure of each interior angle? Well, we just do 180 minus 60, which is 120. So how many sides? It has 6. And all I did here was this makes a straight line. So 60 minus 180 is equal to 120. So it has 6, and the interior sum of each one is 120. Find the measure in degrees of each exterior angle of a polygon. So if we look here, we have 7A, 7A, 3A, and A. So the exterior sum of a polygon is 360. So 7 plus 7 is 14, 15, 18A. Divide both sides by 18. A is equal, oops, I think I missed A. Yeah, so it's 20, okay? And then, let's see, at point W, so I'm guessing it's gonna ask us to plug in A for that, so let's see. So if I plug in 20 for A, okay, so it is talking about those exterior angles. So we would have to do 7 times 20, which is 140. At point W, 7 times 20 is again 140. And at point Z, 3 times 20 is 60. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular quadrilateral. So quadrilaterals have 4 sides. So we have to do 360 divided by 4, which should be 80. Nope, no, just kidding, it's 90. Sorry. Oh, I leveled up, whatever that means. Okay, I'm gonna do like another round of these just in case if you did not get any of the problems like I've tried, because we haven't done this one. This hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So to find the interior angle measure, we need to know what the total interior sum is. So 6 minus 2 times 180. So the interior sum is 720. So we're going to add up all of the values of each angle. So I'm just going to add 9 plus 8 plus 2 plus 10 plus 8 plus 8. So we get 45, n is equal to 720. Divide by 45. Whoop. So n is equal to 16. So what we need to do is we're just going to plug 16 for all of these values. So 6 times 16. So A is 96. B is 16 times 2, which is 32. Oh, sorry. 16 times 8 is 128. And 16 times 2, it is 32. 10 times 16 is 160. And 8 times 16 is again 128. E, again it's 128. F is 9 times 16, 144. Okay. Ooh, dodecagon. I think that's 12. What the heck? Cancel. Find the value of y if each measure of the interior angle of a regular dodecagon is 30. So I think dodeca is 12. You could Google it, but we're just going to go with it. So that means the interior sum is 1800. We're going to divide it by 12 because we want to find the value of one angle. So that means one angle is 150 degrees. So we want to figure out what y is. So 30y is equal to that single interior angle measure. So that means y is equal to 5. Let's see if we're right. Booyah. Yes. Okay. If an exterior angle measure of a regular polygon is 30, how many sides does the polygon have? So this is another one like we encountered where you have to use your exterior angle theorem to be able to figure out how many sides it has. So we know exterior angle sum of any polygon is 360 divided by each individual. So that means there are 12 sides. Hold on. So yeah, none of these. Duh. Okay. Then we can use this 30 for this one and do 180 minus 30, which is 150. None of these. And 150. Woohoo. Okay. Here's another one we have not encountered. Exterior, so exterior is 360. So we want to add all of these up and set them equal to 360. So I'm just going to add up all of the numbers that are in front of our n. So like -10, -6, -7, -8, -9. So we get -40n, and then 6 and 6 cancel out. So I'm left with 4, 13, and 17. And those are all positive. Okay. So we're just going to solve this. I think I added something wrong. Let's just make sure. Okay, that's right. Oh, that's where I messed up. So I did. So 4 plus 13 minus 17, so there is no adding for that. So I added those numbers after wrong. So after I added all these up, they just equal -40n. So 360 divided by 40, so n is equal to -9. And Get More Math does give you negative values, so it's okay. But negative times negative is a positive. All right. Decagon, can't write on this. Whoop. So I want to skip that one because we've done something like that. Here we go. Here's another one I don't think we've done. Find the measure of each interior angle of a regular quadrilateral. So n minus 2 times 180. So 4 minus 2 times 180 is 360. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides, so 360 divided by 4. That means each one is going to be 90. There you go. All right. So I hope that helps you out for today's lesson. If you have any questions, I should be popping in and out of class, or you can reach me on Teams. All right. See you later.